Good morning children, this is Sumalata, Master Teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Today I am giving the revision of geometry. In that revision, I am giving now revision of plane shapes or 2D shapes. Plane shapes are 2D shapes. 2D nothing but dimensions. D nothing but dimensions. Means D nothing but dimensions. Dimensions means measures. Okay. 2 dimensions. 2 dimensions means here for this shapes we have to use the 2 measures. What are those 2 measures? Length and breadth. It means the shapes which we measures in length and breadth, those shapes are called the 2D shapes or plane shapes. Once again I am repeating children, the shapes which we measures in length and breadth, those shapes are called 2D shapes or plane shapes. First one, square. Square plane shape children. Square nothing but it has 4 sides. See here you can see the picture of square. Square has 4 sides. 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sides these are. Square has 4 sides and 4 corners. See here you can see 4 corners and all sides should be same. All sides should be same. So a square has 4 sides, 4 corners, and all sides should be same. Means nothing but all sides length should be same. Yeah children, next shape is rectangle shape. Now you can see here the shape of rectangle. This is a rectangle shape children. What you can observe in this shape? See, a rectangle has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 corners. And in a rectangle opposite sides should be same. Opposite sides nothing but top and bottom line segments length should be same. Left and right line segments length should be same. Means opposite sides should be same. This is rectangle children. Next shape is triangle children. See here you can see the shape of triangle. This is a triangle shape. What you can observe in this triangle shape? A triangle has 3 sides. See here 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. And see here 1, 2, 3. Means a triangle has 3 corners, or you can call it as the vertices also. So a triangle has 3 sides, a triangle has 3 corners. So this is a triangle children. Next 2D shape children. circle. This here you can see a circle shape. Now, a circle doesn't have any corners. So here no corners or no vertices you can write. No vertices. And here, and it doesn't has any corner, any vertices, and it has one curved edge, one curved edge. A circle has no corners or no vertices, and a circle have one curved edge, children. Yeah, next 2D shape is pentagon, children. Pentagon nothing but here penta means 5, children. So 5-sided figure. Here you can see pentagon. Now pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is a 5-sided figure. Nothing but a pentagon has 5 sides and corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 corners are vertices. 5 corners are 5 vertices. Next 2D shape, children. Hexagon. Hexagon nothing but this is a hexagon, children. So hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 6-sided figure, children. So hexagon has 6 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 corners are vertices. Corners you can call it as a vertices also. So hexagon has 6 sides, 6 vertices. Yes, next 2D shape is heptagon. Heptagon looks like this. So you count the sides, children, for heptagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So heptagon nothing but 7-sided figure, means it has 7 sides. And coming to corner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 corners are 7 vertices. 7 corners are 7 vertices. And heptagon has 7 sides, heptagon has 7 vertices. Next plane shape or next 2D shape is octagon. Octagon, here you can see here octagon. This is octagon, children. Come on, let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So octagon is 8-sided figure. So it has 8 sides. And coming to, let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 corners are 8 vertices. Means octagon is a 8-sided figure. So it has 8 sides and octagon has 8 vertices or 8 corners. Yes, children. Next plane shape or next 2D shape is nanogon. Nanogon nothing but here you can see the shape of nanogon. So this is a nanogon. Count the now. Count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is a 9-sided figure. Nanogon has 9 sides. And let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it has 9 corners or 9 vertices. So this is the shape of nanogon. Nanogon has 9 sides and 9 vertices are 9. Yeah, children. Next plane shape, 2D shape, decagon. Decagon, here you can see decagon. So this is decagon, children. Here you can see, let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. A decagon has 10 sides. And let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So a decagon has 10 corners are 10 vertices. Now this is the shape of decagon. Decagon has 10 sides and 10 corners are 10 vertices. Next solid shapes are square pyramid and rectangular pyramid. Here you see to square pyramid, if the base is into the square shape and pyramid nothing but at the top it should be one tip, means side surfaces, side flat faces, it should meet at the top at one tip. So square it is a square pyramid. It have, let's count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Means it has 8 edges. A square pyramid has 8 edges and vertices. Let's count the vertices here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 vertices. Vertices are corners. So a square pyramid has 5 vertices and it has, see, one base is one face, flat faces. Let's count the flat faces. 1 base and this side 2, 3 and back 4 and front 5. Left, right 2, back, front 4 and base. So 5 flat faces. It has 5 flat faces. So a square pyramid has 8 edges, 5 vertices, 5 flat faces. Coming to the rectangular pyramid, why we are calling it is a rectangular pyramid here? The base, the rectangular pyramid, the base it should have into the rectangular shape. So this and the pyramid nothing but the all side flat faces should meet at one one place at the top, and at the top it should have one tip. So this is a pyramid and the base is into the rectangular shape. So rectangular pyramid. Let's count the edges for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Means a rectangular pyramid has 8 edges. Next, let's count the vertices or corners. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a rectangular pyramid has 5 vertices. And let's count the faces here. Back one face, front one face. 2 faces and left, right. So total 4, and down base is rectangular shape, that face, total 5 flat faces it has. Again I am repeating here, back side one face, front one face, and left, right 4 faces, and at the bottom base 5 faces. Okay, so 5 flat faces. So a rectangular pyramid has 8 edges, 5 vertices, 5 flat faces. And come these two here, children, observe these two. If the base is into the square shape, so this pyramid is called a square pyramid, and if the base is into the rectangular shape, so this type of pyramid is called a rectangular shape, rectangular pyramid. Yes, children. Next is solid shape. Triangular prism. See. Prism nothing but at the top it should have any surface or any edge, children. So that type of figures are called, that type of solids are called prisms. So now I am taking the triangular prism. How I see here, you can see the triangular prism. This is a triangular prism, children. See here, a triangular prism, it has sides, triangular shape. Now you see here, how many edges to this? So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more it has children. We can't see that, but if you see the solid shape, you can count. But in the figure, see this dotted. So total 9 edges. This is also you should treat as an edge. 9 edges. So triangular prism has 9 edges. Now its surfaces, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and base is 5. So 5 flat faces. Now coming to the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertex. 6 vertices. See children, once again, a triangular prism has, and prism I said you already here, at the top it should have one edge or one surface. See here, you can see one edge. Now this is a triangular prism, and here a triangular prism has 9 edges, 9 line segments, and 5 faces and 6 vertices. Next, triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid, children. See, pyramid nothing but at the top it should have one vertex, okay, or one tip. See, this is a triangular pyramid, and why we are calling it is as a triangular pyramid only means it has base has a triangular shape and at the top it has one tip, means triangular pyramid. Let's count its edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 edges. Vertices in 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. And its faces 1, this, 2 and front 3 and base is total 4 flat faces that do. Come on, don't confuse these two children. Prism nothing but at the top it should have one surface or one edge, and pyramid nothing but at the top it should have one vertex. Okay, and here you see triangular pyramid has 6 edges, 4 vertices and 4 flat faces. Coming to triangular prism, it has 9 edges, 5 flat faces, 6 vertices. Thank you children.